Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how to end a print statement with a character other than a new line. So if we look at the definition of the print function in Python documentation, we'll see that it takes 5 arguments. So we can look at the print function in Python documentation. We've already spoken about objects and the separator, and now we're talking about the third argument, which is end. It ends a print statement with a new line by default, but we can change that. So if I were to take entry from the user, so I'll put in the entry in a variable called user entry, and I'll ask the user to enter a value. And then we'll do the default for now. So the default of end is a new line. So if you don't really specify a value for end, it would be in a new line. So let me just show you what I mean. Let me learn my spelling. Entered user entry, and I'll just passing some values like this. And I'll do this twice just to show you how there's going to be a new line between the two. So we can see that the first print statement is separated by a new line with whatever comes in after that. We didn't really have to say end is equal to a new line, because that's the default, right? So that is the default anyway. Okay, but in the end argument must be a string. So if we were to change whatever it ended with it, we would just want to make sure that it's a string. And if the default to be changed in this example, we want to say it's a star. So end is equal to, so I can just say end this with a star. So we can see that we have a star in the end, but what happens if I have another print statement with an @ character? So we'll see that there will be no new line separating the two. Instead, it will be that character. So here I've got a character ending with ending this print statement, and then the other one is an @ symbol. And you can specify anything else, so just make sure it's a string. So I can literally just type in this is the end. But like we mentioned, there will be no new line separating them anymore. It's just whatever you specify. So I hope this gives you an idea to play around with what you want your print statement to end with. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.